Hello, Matthews Gatos here. In this video, we're going to look at applying rational operations. Let's get started. In this question here, we have Macaw starts the week with $30 of her monthly allowance left. So she has $30, so that is a positive number. So she has $30, which means that that is a positive 30. Now that week she is spending. Now spending is money going away from you, so it's going to be a negative. So she's spending negative 1/5. She's spending 1/5 of her money on the bus. She's spending half of her money on shopping. She's spending a quarter of her money on snacks. Okay, so what we want to figure out is what are each of these amounts? So in math, the word of, if she's spending 1/5 of her money, that means multiply. So of is the same as multiply. Okay, so -1/5 of 30. Now to make that a little easier, I'm going to put that over 1. Then I'm just going to multiply my numerators. Now the signs don't match, so the answer is negative. It's going to be -30 over 5 times 1 is 5. So that means that -6. So she spent $6 on the bus. Then -1/2 times 30, again, place that over 1. The signs don't match, so it's negative. 1 times 30 over 2 times 1, -15. So she spent $15 shopping. And then snacks. -1/4 times 30, place that over 1. The signs don't match, so it's negative. 1 times 30 over 4 times 1. Okay, so then on our calculators, we can just do 30 divided by 4, and that's -7.5. So we want to know how much money she had left. So let's look at how much money she spent. So she spent $6, and then she spent $15. And then she spent $7.50. So altogether, that's what she spent. So my answer is going to be negative. And then I just do 6 plus 15 plus 7.50 on my calculator. And I see that she spent $28.50. Now she started with $30. So I want to know what is $30 that she had plus how much she spent. So first of all, I have more positives than I do negatives. And to figure out how many more positives I have, I just do 30 take away 28.5. So on my calculator, I can do 30 take away 28.5, which is $1.50. So that means that she had $1.50 left. Okay. In the next question here, I want you to pause the video, try it on your own, and then we'll come back and go over it. Okay, in this one here, Stefano had $46. So since he has or had $46, that means it is a positive 46. Each month for 3 months, the bank withdrew means take away a quarter of this amount as a service fee. So he's losing a quarter of his money and he has 46. So we're trying to figure out what -1/4 times 46 is. Let's place that over 1. So signs don't match. So I know that my answer is going to be negative. So negative, and then I do 1 times 46 over 4 times 1. Okay, the result is negative, and I know 46 divided by 4, I can do that on my calculator, is 11.5. So that means that each month he pays $11.50 in service fees. Okay, now he's paying that, so it's negative. Now he does that for 3 months. So for 3 months, he pays negative $11.50. So first of all, I know that my signs don't match, so it's negative. And then on my calculator, I can do 1150 times 3, which is -$34.50. So he had $46, that's positive, and he pays -$34.50. So I have more positives. So my answer is going to be positive. He has more money than he spent. And then to figure out how much, I just do 46 take away $34.50, which is 11.5. Now I know with money, I'm going to add on a decimal. So how much was left? He had $11.50 left over. So I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you for the next one.